Hey, good morning everybody. How are you? My name is attorney Charles Zavala here from Zavala Texas Law here in beautiful Houston, Texas. I believe today's the last day of summer actually, but it's been hot here. I hope everybody's enjoying their summer. So we are an immigration law firm. We also handle criminal defense and business claims. Today I have a video regarding immigration, especially about green cards, more specifically about people who have what's called a conditional green card, right? So what happens is this: if you marry somebody and get your green card through them, the government will give you what's called a conditional green card, which means it's a green card, but it's only valid for 2 years instead of the normal 10 years. The reason why it's only valid for 2 years is because the government says, listen, we want to make sure you're still married to that person, right? That you didn't get married only for immigration reasons. So normally, it's no problem. As we get close to that 2-year expiration on the conditional green card, we have to do paperwork, submit it, everything's good. But the problem is, USCIS takes a long time to process these applications. So there's a lot of people who say, well, dang, my conditional green card is already expired and I still haven't gotten a result. So that's what today's video about is. So this is on September 3rd. Department of Homeland Security, remember that's the agency that's in charge of all of immigration. They said, look, normally when you apply for your conditional or to remove the conditions on for your green card, they send you what's called an I-797 receipt. This happens in all immigration cases where you're applying with USCIS. All that receipt says is, hey, we received your application, it's currently in processing. Doesn't tell you whether you're approved, doesn't tell you whether you're denied, it's just going to tell you we received it. But what happens is, the processing time takes a long time, unfortunately. So people are like, well, my conditional green card's expired, am I afraid to travel, am I still a green card holder, blah, blah, blah. So what immigration would do is they would send you a piece of paper that gives you an 18-month extension, right? So what they do is they give you that piece of paper and they say, hey, look, because we're processing your thing, this piece of paper, we're extending your status for another 18 months. And that's good because that allows you to travel, you can show proof that, hey, look, I'm under processing. So what Department of Homeland Security did is they're extending it. Instead of 18 months, they're not going to extend it to 24 months, which is 2 years. That's good because, hey, that's more time where you can show if you can travel. You can say, look, my extension is still valid up to 2 years.